100 ways to transform digital marketing with AI and automation. Today, I'm gonna talk about how you can quickly become a good YouTuber with the help of GPT. Do you want to become a good YouTube creator? If you want to enter this industry and create influential content, watching YouTube video like a popcorn movie won't get any help. While watching video, you need to think, reflect, and distill your own methodology, just like school days to learn a subject. In this process, dissecting high-quality video content becomes crucial. In professional film and television course, this is known as film analysis, where each frame is studied for composition, expression, text, and other elements. Now, with the help of ChatGPT Plus and Webpedit, Chatwithvideo, Zapier plugins, we can quickly export the transcript of videos and analyze their own style, script, framework, and key information, making it easier for us to analyze video of interest. First, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus account. Open a new conversation in your Plus account, select the GPT-4 model, and find Webpedit, Chatwithvideo, and Zapier plugins. Webpedit enables ChatGPT to connect to the internet, while Zapier helps integrate various software tools, allowing GPT to save the learned video information to your note-taking tool like Notion. Chatwithvideo can read YouTube closed caption subtitles, but currently it only supports English subtitles. If you want ChatGPT to save the result to your note-taking tool, you need to configure Zapier Actions. To set up actions to create a Notion page so that GPT can connect to your Notion. In the ChatGPT interface, input the following prompt, instructing GPT to download the video subtitles and analyze it for you. Please scroll the full subtitle of this video for me and save it to my Google Doc. Please also help me analyze the tone, structure, and storytelling of the video. After a few seconds, GPT will start fetching the subtitle of the video and analyze its structure, logic, storytelling. And then the Zapier plugin can save this information to your Google Doc or Notion. Now you can quickly and easily learn from more high-quality video content using this method. Give it a try. If you like digital marketing, AI, and automation, subscribe to my channel to get more updates on it. That's all for today. I'll see you in next video.